I'm here to talk about mental health chatbot. Firstly, what is chatbot? Chatbot is a conversational AI. It is an automated program that simulates human conversation through text message or voice chat. What is mental health? Mental health conditions involving changing the behavior and emotion, thinking, and this illness can be associated with distress. And the objective is to develop an AI-based healthcare chatbot that can accurately identify the user's illness and provide appropriate advice or treatment recommendations. The chatbot must be designed to provide a user-friendly experience, provide accurate results, and maintain reliability. The chatbot can understand and interpret the user's medical symptoms and history, and this provide a description about the illness and prefer medication, continuously learn and improve performance over time through user feedback and data analysis. In this chatbot, we have used the algorithm of NLP. NLP is used to analyze text, allowing machines to understand how humans speak. The human-computer interaction enables real-world application like automatic relationship extraction, stemming, and more. NLP combines computational linguistics, that is the rule-based modeling, summarization, sentiment analysis, topic extraction, named entity recognition, parts of speech tagging of the human spoken language with intelligent algorithms such as statistical mission and deep learning algorithms. In these technologies together create the smart voice assistants and chatbot that you may be used in everyday life. Our system uses these NLP operations: tokenization, stemming, and bag of words. Tokenization. It is a process of breaking a text document into small tokens consisting of phrases, symbols, or even a whole sentences. Stemming. Stemming is basically removing the suffix from a word and reduce it to the root word. Bag of words. It is a collection of words to represent a sentence with word count and mostly disregarding the order in which they appear. In this project, my contribution, and I have worked on the training part and intense JSON model, JSON file editor. In this, I have worked on the training part. In the training part, firstly we have imported the libraries, and from NLTK utilities file we have imported the bag of word, tokenization, and stemming. And with opening intents JSON file, we have loaded those intents which have been loaded in the JSON. And in this we have added the words of tags, patterns, and responses. In the intent JSON file, we have added the pattern necessity to have analysis sentence pattern. We have the code of the training part. In this we have sorted all tags and all words. In case it remove, in this file we have we have added the ignored words. Ignored words means the punctuation marks. In this we have imported the bag of words. In that the contain pattern, sentences, and all words. To import the X train, we have appended the bag, and to import the Y, we have appended the tag and label. For this number array to hold element of same data type and manipulate large number of data. We have added the class of chart data set. In that we have defined the self data and export and Y train and X train. In this we have added the num approach. Num approach means this variable represents the number of times the entire training data will be passed through the neural network during training. Example, if training process will be iterated over the entire data set 100 times. We have added the batch size. Batch size determines the number of training examples proceed in one iteration before updating the model's parameters. And then we have added the input size and hidden size and output size. In this we have used the torch device and these training part completed. Then I have worked on the intense JSON editing file. In this intense we have added the tag patterns and responses. If we give the tag of the pattern, if we give the chatbot of hi and it replies a positive information. In this JSON file we have added more number of question and answers for the chatbot about the mental health. In this we have added the positive responses from the chatbot. These tags, patterns and responses we have given in the JSON file. These mental health fact tag. If we ask any question of the chatbot, it will reply with positive. This is the JSON file which is edited by me. Yes, here the conclusion. In today's world, poor mental health is a major concern and it's difficult for everyone who has a mental disease to obtain care because it may be too expensive for some individuals. These people are unwilling to share their issues with others. When it comes to mental health, then a large number of people will obtain this to seek care online. These are weaknesses in existing systems. Most of them aren't very good and they are also not free. Find out about it here in this study. Basically, it's a solution to come off the present system's shortcomings. We would like to create a chatbot that can converse with users. When it comes to communication, it matters whether you are speaking or writing. When a user asks a question, the chatbot replies with many ways. Positive and calming videos are added to the recommendation sections which make users feel better. The address and phone number of the doctors also include in case the user's mental state has worsened and someone else need to check it. Thank you.